sharp. It's sharp. What the fuck? Tell me to do see this? To the boom. Of course we do. Save on that. So you have to pull all these things out. Very, very important. Pepper sauce.
No, cancel this one.
Really?
Do another one.
Okay.
You understand, Nata?
Yeah. Wait. This pepper sauce. This is Oboisin spices. You don't need to bother me to know about it. That's cool, man. Sorry, this one's gonna take you. This is the second stage in grilling catfish. The first stage is the killing and washing. Then the second stage is putting of the spices and making sure everything enters inside. Which the third stage involves the roasting. So as you can see, it's carefully taking time to spice the fish for a yummy consumption. The concentration of the spices could be more deeper at the head region because the tail region is thinner. So as it is, the head should be more concentrated. That's where the whole this thing is focused. If that size is not focused, the fish won't be sweet. Then after spicing the whole stuff, you have to apply the sauce, which is a well blended mixture of peppers, ginger, garlic, seasoning, and all that. As you can see, as he's putting those as he's putting that sauce in those lines, he's making sure everything enters inside. He makes sure it cuts the line thin, so that as he's putting it, because the larger the lines are, the less sweeter it becomes. So he makes sure he cut the distance smaller for it to enable the sauce penetrate into the fish carefully. And here, as he's putting the sauce, he makes sure that the sauce is not too much, because the more you apply the sauce, the more difficult it becomes for the fish to get dried. And if it's not dried, some may like it more dried, some will like it moderately dried, and some will like it watery. So it depends on your this thing. But majority of people like it very dried, so you have to apply the sauce not too much for it to get dried soon. Yes, here we go. He has carefully sauced the whole fish. He's about to wrap it now, which is entering the top phase in the making of catfish. You can only find this at Julius Bar and Grill, find at Tekong. So you can come, this is a home away from home. You can come with your family, friends, loved ones, and all that. You can even come. We have a lot of exciting prices here, and a lot of goods here. We have shawarma too, we have pepper soup, rice, drinks, and all that. Just come and feel at home. Yeah, your fish is now ready. So you this is it.